Unveiling the beauty of Gilding the Lily. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a particularly picturesque phrase, gilding the lily. Stick around as we unravel its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves to enrich their vocabulary, this video is for you. Gilding the lily is a phrase that paints quite a vivid picture. To gild means to cover something with a thin layer of gold. A lily, on the other hand, is a beautiful flower often associated with purity and beauty. So, when someone talks about gilding a lily, they're essentially speaking about adding unnecessary embellishments or enhancements to something that is already perfect or beautiful as it is. It's like adding more beauty to a flower that's already stunning, which isn't just unnecessary but could also detract from its natural beauty. The phrase, gilding the lily, is often attributed to William Shakespeare, but this is a common misconception. The actual phrase comes from Shakespeare's play King John, 1595, where he wrote, "To gild refined gold, to paint the lily as wasteful and ridiculous excess." Over time, the phrase evolved into the more commonly used, gilding the lily, but the essence remains the same. Criticizing the act of adding to what is already sufficient or beautiful. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it effectively in conversation is another. Here are a few examples to show you how it's done. When someone suggests adding more decorations to an already beautiful wedding venue, you might say, "Isn't that just gilding the lily? It's beautiful as it is." After watching a movie with too many special effects, you could comment, "The story was strong on its own. All those effects were just gilding the lily." Discussing a friend's overly elaborate presentation, you might observe, "He really gilded the lily with all those animations. The content was clear without them." In each case, you're pointing out that the additional efforts were unnecessary and that simplicity would have been a better choice. Gilding the lily is more than just an idiomatic expression. It's a reminder of the beauty and simplicity and the value of recognizing when something is enough. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to appreciate the inherent beauty in the world around you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.